So one of the sections in analytics on YouTube Studio page is the audience analytics section. So if you were to go around under audience, then you can see whether the viewers that you're getting are returning viewers or unique viewers, and see the viewers which are your subscribers right here. So in my case, there are no returning viewers right here. And since this is a new channel, you don't see much data over here anyways. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that if there is a viewer that returned to your channel to view out certain videos, then you'll see the analytics over here. You can see that the unique viewers are here. That means whoever are finding the video are new people. In case they are your subscribers here who is viewing right here, then you'll be able to see the subscriber right here just like this. So over here you can see that you'll get different options right here when your viewers are on YouTube, and you'll get the details on when they mostly view your content over here as well, and other channels that your audiences may watch, and top geographies from where your audiences are from. You can also go around and see the watch time from particular subscribers and age and gender of people who view the videos in this section right here. So you see all of these content details as you have more videos uploaded in your channel. And over here you can see that the top subtitles that are used right now is no subtitles. That means people prefer to watch your videos without any subtitle, and 15.4% prefer to watch it in English, and 7.7% prefer to watch it using English United States right here. That is how you know like how much subtitles are being used by your audience as well. And as with any other analytics section, you can go around over here and choose the timing over here just like this as well, and see the overall status of how many viewers are there, and the recurrence of the viewer right here, and so forth, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the audience analytics section inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.